Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar. So today we are going to see about React Router. This video is part of a React tutorial series. If you guys haven't watched the previous videos, I will drop the link in the description as well as in the I button. So just check it out. So if you guys are new to my channel, then just grab the red button down below so that you won't miss any awesome contents like this. So let's get started. So guys, today we are going to see about React Router. So what is a React Router first? So why we need routing? So consider a simple web page where there will be few pages like about page, contact page, shop, product pages like so, because we can put everything inside the home page itself. We should have several other pages. So how we are going to route those things? In React, we can use React routers. So here I have just created an React app. So and I have cleared those unwanted files which are present in the source as well as in the public. And I have created two extra files called app.js, which is a component with an h1 tag of about page and a contact page with an h1 tag of contact page like so. And I have used those things in the return of this app.js file, and I have also created the home component which I have used as a component around here. So now if I run this React app in the browser, it may look like this. So I don't want this about page and as well as the contact page in the same home page. I want it separately. When I will route this URL as slash about, I need this about page, not these things. Okay, so now we will do it by so guys, before we are importing the browser router as well as the route from the React router, we have to install the React router as a dependency by just create another terminal and write a command called like npm install react route dash dom like so. But here I have already installed it. You can see it in the package.json. Here I have already created the react router dash dom. So now I don't want to do that command. So here I will just import the browser router. Well, I will just put these things inside set brackets because we have to import more things like, and I'm also going to import the routes. I'm going to name this browser router as router from React router dom like so. And I'm just going to wrap these home about contact components into router components. So I can copy this and paste it down here so that everything will be inside this. So now nothing happens down here because we have to route these pages. So now I can use the route component by neglecting this. I'm going to get rid of these things. So now I'm going to use the route by route with a path of slash is nothing but the original name of the website, like the domain name, which is the home page of every website. Now I'm going to use a component prop. I'm going to have a home component here. So now I will just close this. I'm going to copy these things. I'll just paste it around here, and then here I'm going to have the about component as well as the about URL, the contact path and the contact component around here. Contacts. So now here the path is nothing but the URL. If I now open the browser, home page is now visible. If I enter like about, here the about page is visible, as well as if I do like contact, the contact page is visible. But I too get this home page because here we are just given the path as a single slash, because here the slash present, so that the home page will come along with that, and the contact page also. So to get rid of this home page, we will just use what called exact. So if I do this, if I open the web page, now the home page is not visible. If I reload the page, it is not visible. I can go to the about, like so. The home page is not visible, only the about is visible. And if I go to the home page is visible. So now I'm going to create a nav. I'm going to create a nav bar here, so that we can route by clicking a button. So we can just go to the about page by clicking a button, not typing in the URL. So now I'm going to use a nav tag. I'm not going to use the a tag because it will just reload the page instead of using that. I'm going to include the link like so. So now I can use it as a component here. Link to would be the path like slash, which is nothing but the home, like so. And I'm going to have a class name to style these components. The class name is going to be a text. I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to have a path 2 of about and 2 of contacts, like so. And I'm going to have about from here. I'm going to have a contact around here. So we have just created link components with a name called home, about, and a contact. These things are nothing but present inside the nav. So this 2 is nothing but the link or the path. So if the 2 is equals to the slash, we will go to the home page, which is the route is here. And if it is equals to about, we will go to the about page. If it is equals to contact, we will just go to the contact page. So I have already styled this nav bar in the app.css file with a nav of height 60 px and a background color of black and a flex display flex and a space around justification, and then align items of center. And I have also had a nav.text class with a color of white. The font color will be white and the text decoration of none, to exclude those underlines below the text. So now if I open this web page, it is beautiful. No, it is not beautiful. Okay, I admit it. So if I hit this home, I'm in the home page. If I go to the about, I'm in the about page. So now if I go to the contact, we are in the contact page. So like so. So you guys can note one thing here. If I route to the home page, the website is not reloading. The web page is not reloading around here. So just note it around here. If I hit the about, the web page is not reloaded. If I route to the contact, it is not reloaded, because since we are using the link component, it won't reload the web page. If you are using an anchor tag, it will just reload the web page. So that's it guys, a simple video about React Router. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel because you won't miss any easy tutorials like this, and share this content with your friends who wants to know about React and React routers. So thanks for watching this video guys.